Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite BBQ Smokers. And today, I'm gonna do chicken legs and Weber kettle grill. But I'm gonna show you 3 separate techniques to see which one you like the best. So let's get it prepping so we can get to cooking. So come on. All right, so what we got right here, we got chicken legs. These come from Walmart. It's a natural brand. What I'm gonna do to start with is see if I got any heavy fat and just see if I can pull it off. Because I don't need that fat on there. Just kind of go through them and pull them out. These are the natural ones because you see the skin's white, it shouldn't be that bad. If you get to the Tyson's or whatever that's got the yellow skin, you'll have a lot more to do with this. A lot more of this to do, I should say. And if you don't get all of it, it ain't the end of the world. So I'm gonna do 3 different techniques today. So I'm gonna start separating these out into sizes. Kind of get all the same size together. So I'm gonna take these 4 right here and start with these butterfly method. So come in here, kind of find where my bone's gonna be at right here. I'm gonna take it, take my knife and hold it. Find the edge of the bone, come across. Get back in the same groove like you had before, and cut on the other side of the bone. Just cut it loose. Just fold itself out just like this. That's the butterfly method. Now these will be a little bit different. These are so much bigger, therefore I got some room to play with these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here and take my fingers and push back and break the meat a little bit away from the knuckle at the top on this side. Then I'll take a pair of shears. Now, I use garden shears. There is nothing wrong with using regular kitchen shears, but you can use it anything you got. So I'm gonna take it and roll it out with my fingers. Come here and cut it loose. Very simple. All right, so I've laid them out on my rack here like I want to cook them. So what I'm doing now, flip them over. I'm gonna do the back side first, then I'll flip back over and do this side here last. I will say this, the butterfly method does have a bigger surface area. So that's really the advantage of the butterfly method. I'm using some Heath Rowell's chicken rub. I'm going across the top of that with some honey rub. Now I'll flip them over. Some Heath Rowell's chicken rub. Go across the top of that with some honey rub. All right, I'm cooking the Weber kettle grill. We're running about 350 right now. I'm gonna cook these at an internal temperature of 185 degrees. And to me, that's when I got a very juicy bite with chicken legs. And that's what I'm going for. So let's get them on the smoker. So we just took them out of the smoker. I'm gonna put them back on the rack, put some barbecue sauce on them. When you start seeing blowouts like that, that's when you know you're done. Anytime you see chicken legs start having blowouts, they're ready to come off the smoker. And you can see what happened here. They kind of just shrunk up, got a little short, that little knuckle gone. Now I'll put some sauce on. Heath Rowell sweet barbecue sauce. Just gonna brush it on. I put this in the refrigerator, let it get cold. That way it won't be quite so runny. Set it right back on the smoker and set the sauce. Be right back. So hey, we're back. We just took them off the smoker. We poured them about 180, give or take a little bit. Now we're gonna taste them up. We got the butterfly method, traditional method, and the one we took the knuckles off. So let's taste them, see which one tastes the best. I'm gonna start with traditional. So it's really good, nice and moist, got good flavor to it. The skin's not quite bite through. If I'd put these in a butter bath like I would for Competition BBQ, I would probably gotten a bite through skin, or maybe chicard them. But again, it's delicious. You can see the moisture just pouring out of them. So it's really good. Traditional, can't hardly beat it. That's what we got for traditional. Now I'm gonna try the butterfly one. Right here, give me a good bite. Good smoky flavor to it. You see the increase in the surface area. It's got good flavor to it. That rub kind of got into it, got me a really good smoky flavor to it. It's good. Again, the skin's not bite through. But I didn't do a butter bath today to get me that bite through skin I would in Competition. But you taste a lot more of the smoke with this one. Let's try one of these. As you see, we got knuckle been cut back. See what it tastes like. It's more tender, but again, the skin's not bite through. If I was doing this again tomorrow, I would do a bite through skin. I would put it in a butter bath. But it's really good flavor to it. This one here is a little more smoky. The butterfly is more smoky. Again, but this one in the traditional, it's got about the same flavor to it. Tenderness note in the meat, this one here is gonna beat it. So my final thoughts was this: the butterfly method's got great flavor to it, increases surface area, the seasoning got into it. The traditional method is more juicy because I haven't interfered with it at all, because it still maintains the juice inside it. The method I have where I took knuckle off, the meat itself is tender because I cut the tendons loose. All that being stated, they taste delicious. So let's see what Dolly thinks. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I know you would too. I said a blessing. Lord, bless food about received. Just and pray. Amen. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share with your friends and family. I appreciate it. See you next time.